guys, I told you it'd clear up. All right. Oh. Yeah. I think we can do something. I think, you know, it's not that bad over there. We can just get the perimeter, and we'll mow the perimeter. Don't get too close to the ducks, wildlife. We don't want to. Oh, yeah. There's a. Maybe if we. Did you bring your life jackets? No? Okay. We're only at like 2 inches. I think the mower will be fine. Just don't go too far in. It's gonna. Yeah, we're good in that back corner. I think if we just stay right over to the left, we should be good. And we'll get a nice stripes going over there.
Yeah, I really thought we were going to be able to do something today, but they're probably going to get stuck. I don't know about this. I got to reevaluate my ideas here because they're getting ready to start that back corner. I don't think we're going to be able to do this.
Hey guys! Yeah, I think if we just push it out, we'll get this, it'll dry out by tomorrow. You know, I think it's gonna take a little too long. Go to the shop, grab the trash pump and the hose. And we're just, I think if we just let it run all night, we should be able to get it all out there. And we should be able to mow by tomorrow, I think. Yeah.